Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture of temperature and temperature measurement devices. After completion of this lecture, students will be able to learn following points. First point is understand working of thermocouple. Second, choose suitable thermocouple for specified temperature range. And third is classify thermocouple. Contents covered in these videos are modes of heat transfer and thermocouple. The first point we will see here, that is the modes of heat transfer. There are three modes of heat transfer. First conduction, second convection, and third one is the radiation. From this diagram we can understand these three modes. First is the conduction. Conduction is heat applied to one part of substance and transfer to all parts of substance, that is the conduction. Second is convection. Convection means heat transfer by movement of heated particles that take place only in liquid or gaseous medium, that is the convection. And third one is the radiation. Radiation means heat is transferred in the form of rays of molecules of substance. The best example of radiation is the sun. For the temperature measurement, there are several instruments are available in market like RTD, thermistor, thermometer and thermocouple. Today we will see the what is thermocouple. Thermocouple consists of two wires made from different metals. The wires are welded together at one end, that creating a junction. This junction is where the temperature is measured. When the junction experiences a change in temperature, a voltage is created. From this diagram we can see that there is two dissimilar metals. That metal should be iron on constant ton, copper or constant ton material will be used. Any material you can use here. That two dissimilar metals join together and form a junction. One junction is heated by heating element and other junction is kept constant in cold condition. That is, hot junction is measuring junction and cold junction is reference junction. This question is for you, that what are the various types of thermocouple junction. Then next point is effects of thermoelectricity. There are three effects. First is Seebeck effect, second is Peltier effect and third is Thomson effect. First we discuss about the Seebeck effect. This diagram will show these three effects. This effect is discovered by German scientist, that is Thomas Seebeck. This effect states that when two dissimilar metals or two different electrical conductors are kept at different temperature, the system create electrical potential, and that electrical potential is the temperature range. Next effect is Peltier effect. Peltier effect is when a loop was formed by two different metals, and if externally current was forced to flow through circuit, one junction was heated and another junction was the cooled. That is the Peltier effect. Next one is the Thomson effect. The generation of reversible heat when an electrical current is sent through conducting material that is subjected to temperature gradient. This is the Thomson effect. These three effects is useful for the thermocouple. Next is the types of thermocouple. There are this type of thermocouple: J type, T type, K type, E type, S type and R type. These types of thermocouple is depend on the materials pair and temperature range. If suppose you see here, J type thermocouple is used iron and constant material, and this temperature range is minus 190 to 760 degree Celsius. Generally, K type thermocouple is used for various application. K type thermocouple is used material chromel and alumel, and that is temperature range is minus 190 to 1260 degree centigrade. These are the types of thermocouple. These are different types of thermocouple. Next is advantages of thermocouple. First is the thermocouple is less expensive than the RTD. That means there is the less expensive. Second, it has wide temperature ranges. Next, it has good reproducibility. Next, it has rugged construction. Next, it does not require bridge circuit. Next one is it has good accuracy and it has high speed of response. There are several advantages of thermocouple. So instead of RTD, thermistor and thermometer, you can use the thermocouple. Next is the disadvantages. First disadvantage is as output voltage is very small, it needs amplification. And second is the cold junction and lead compensation. Here is the problem of compensation. That is the disadvantages. Thank you.